Right now, mechanical toys, AI video are exploding across social media, and some creators are growing massive audience just from this style alone. Look at this page. This page is gaining hundreds of thousands of followers, and many of these videos are pulling in millions of views consistently. The best part is that you do not need expensive software or editing skills to make them. Most of these videos can be created using free AI tools in only a few minutes. In this video, I will show you the exact same workflow I used to create these satisfying mechanical toy clips. From start to finish, by the end, you will be able to make your own viral style videos and start uploading today. If you are enjoying AI content tutorials like this, and subscribe now because I post new methods and tools regularly. To begin, search on Google Explore GPTs. Open the first website and go to the Explore GPT session. In the search bar, type mechanical toy generator and open the top result. Once it loads, click on Start Generator. The tool instantly creates 10 different mechanical toy ideas you can choose from. These are already designed to look visual, engaging, and perfect for short form content. Pick any number you like. For example, I select number 2. After choosing a concept, the GPT generates multiple prompts for you, including image prompt and a cinematic video prompt, designed for different AI models. Browse through the options and select the style you think will perform best. I choose the second concept because the movement looks extremely smooth and satisfying, which works great for keep viewers watching. Next, open the Google Flow, create with Flow and a new project. Change image settings. Copy first image prompt and paste here. Select the image generation option. Within moments, the AI creates a highly defined first scene. Now comes the important part for consistency. Again, go to GPT and copy the second image prompt. Click the menu options and select Add to Prompt, so the next image matches the same visual style. Because the first image is being used as a reference, the second scene keeps the same lighting, design and overall atmosphere. This makes the final animation feel smooth and professional instead of random. Once your second image is ready, copy the image prompt and switch over to the video generation session. Choose your preferred video settings and then upload the first image as the starting frame and the second image as the ending frame. Now paste it into the prompt box. Start the generation, and after a short wait, your full AI mechanical toy animation will be ready. The movement looks realistic, smooth and highly satisfying. Here is another example I created using the same workflow. These kinds of AI generated videos are getting huge engagement right now, and the process takes only a few minutes using free tools. Everything you need is already available. All that is left is for you to try it yourself. If this tutorial helped you, leave a comment and subscribe for more AI creation tutorials.